In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly make a chart and add a trend line in Google Sheets. Whether you're working on a school project, preparing a presentation, or simply monitoring data trends, being able to visualize your data with charts and trend lines can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive into it. First, you're going to open your Google Sheets, and if you haven't already, you can create a new sheet or simply open an existing one that contains the data you want to chart. Google Sheets is a fantastic tool for this because it's accessible from anywhere and easy to use. Now, once you have your sheet open, the next step is to highlight all the cells that contain the data you want to include in your chart. Just click and drag your mouse over those cells. This selection will be the foundation of your chart, so make sure it includes all the data points you need. After highlighting your data, look for the Insert option on the menu at the top of the page. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu. You should see an option labeled Chart here. Go ahead and click on it. This action will generate a default chart based on the data you've highlighted. The chart will show up right on your sheet, but we're not done yet. Let's make it even more informative. Click on the chart itself to activate it. You'll notice there's now a sidebar labeled Chart Editor, typically on the right side of your screen. In the Chart Editor, click on Customize. This section offers various settings to refine your chart's appearance and data interpretation. From here, click on Chart Style, then scroll down to find the option for Combo Chart. Selecting this gives you the flexibility to display different data series in varied formats on a single chart. Next, from the same Customize menu, navigate to Chart and Axis Titles. Here, you can give your chart a meaningful name. Simply click on the text box to type in your desired title. A clear title helps viewers quickly grasp what the chart represents. You'll also want to format this title. You can change the font and size by selecting the options available in the same section. Adjusting these elements enhances readability and professional appearance. Now let's bring in the trend line. Inside the Customize tab, find and click on Series. Within this section, look for Trend Line and check the box to add it to your chart. A trend line can help highlight patterns or trends within your data, making it easier to interpret. Finally, you can add a splash of color to your trend line. This is as simple as clicking on the trend line itself and selecting a color from the lining and text color options. Choose a color that stands out against your data to ensure it's easily noticeable. And that's it. You now have a well-presented chart with a trend line in Google Sheets. This visual tool can significantly enhance your data analysis and share insights with others. Thanks for watching and happy charting.